Hi everyone, my name is Balaj. I'm an instructional designer here at Top Hat, and today we're here to talk about how to create and present a discussion thread in Top Hat to promote critical conversations inside and outside of the classroom. First, click on the Add Course button to create a discussion. Give your discussion a title and a prompt. You can decide the point breakdown of the discussion and whether or not participants can see each other's names and responses. Each option explains how it will be shown at the bottom of the creation window. Make sure to save your discussion once you're done. Now, let's talk about how to present the discussion you've created in class. Click on the discussion you want to present from the content tree on the left-hand side, then click the Present button. The discussion will open and students will be allowed to read the prompt and respond. Depending on what response options you have selected, you will see students' responses populate on the screen as they respond. You can sort the responses by clicking on Newest Response in the right corner. Additionally, you can pause the discussion by clicking the Pause button in the center of the screen. To learn more about creating and presenting discussions, as well as how to increase engagement before, during, and after class, visit the Top Hat knowledge base for more information.